In this video, we're going to add his nostrils. So if we come up here and we select these two faces, we use the inset tool. We pull that in. Now what I want to do is I want to pull this out. And let's move the face out a little bit, just to give a little bit of separation there. Now, if I turn sub D on, you can see how much smaller it gets. And we can fix that in sculpting, but we can also add a couple edge loops and it'll take care of that too. So for right now, we're going to go ahead and we're going to add an edge loop and we're going to slide it in a little bit closer. Now that we've done that, we're going to go ahead and we're going to grab that inside face, and now we're going to use extrude. We're going to pull that in just a little bit so that there's an edge loop there. Then we're going to pull it back, probably about that far. Now when we turn our sub D on, we have that. And we can go in and refine this later. But for right now, I just wanted to make sure that it was added to the model. Now, another thing that I know I'm going to want is I'm going to want an edge loop, another edge loop going around the eye. So we're going to come in here and we're going to add that edge loop. Do that again. I want to add it, but I want it a little farther out. Actually, let's just put it in the middle. Yeah, that looks good. So if we turn on our subdivision surface, that's what we end up with. The eyes we're not really going to worry too much about right now. We are going to put eyes in there. One of the things that we can do though, we can grab these faces and we can extrude them in. Let's turn off sub D, and then we can extrude them in again and go a little bit farther. Then what we want to do is scale that up a little bit. Just kind of make a little bit of a recessed cavity there. We're not going to do the whole cavity because we're going to add an eyeball in there and then we'll smooth it out. We really don't want any gaps in there anyway, but we'll take care of that later. If we turn our sub D back on, this is what we have. May even be able to go a little bit farther with that scaling. And let's drop it down a little bit. That looks pretty good. Okay, that's it for the video, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.